Have you ever felt like you're not using your iPhone 15 Pro Max to its full potential? Like there's a whole world of tips and tricks out there just waiting for you to discover? Well, let me tell you, you're not alone. I used to think I knew everything there was to know about my phone, but boy was I wrong. One of the first things I learned was how to customize my control center. Did you know you can add and rearrange shortcuts to make it easier to access the features you use most often? It's a game changer, let me tell you. And speaking of customization, have you tried creating your own widgets? It's a great way to personalize your home screen and make it work for you. But it's not just about looks, it's also about functionality. Did you know you can use the back tap feature to quickly access your favorite apps or shortcuts? Just double or triple tap the back of your phone and voila, you're there. And if you're tired of constantly adjusting your screen brightness, try using the auto brightness feature. It adjusts the brightness of your screen based on your surroundings, so you never have to worry about straining your eyes again. And let's not forget about security. Have you set up Face ID yet? It's a great way to keep your phone secure and make unlocking it a breeze. And if you're worried about your privacy, try using the private browsing feature in Safari. It keeps your browsing history and data safe from prying eyes. But perhaps my favorite tip of all is using Siri shortcuts. Did you know you can create custom voice commands to perform multiple actions at once? It's like having your own personal assistant right at your fingertips. Just imagine the possibilities. Organize home screen. Arrange apps and folders on your home screen to suit your preferences and usage habits. You can create folders, move apps between screens, and use the app library feature to declutter your home screen. Enable Find My. Activate Find My iPhone under Settings, rename Find My iPhone. This feature helps you locate your iPhone if it's lost or stolen, and allows you to remotely lock or erase it if necessary. Use iCloud for backup and sync. Keep your data safe and accessible across devices by using iCloud for backup and synchronization. Enable iCloud Backup under Settings. Your name, iCloud Backup to automatically back up your iPhone's data. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the features of your iPhone 15 Pro Max, don't worry. Take it one tip at a time, and soon enough, you'll be a pro. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and make your phone work for you. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get a notification for more exciting videos, tips,